I really love working with these chocolate boxes. I've done projects in the past and I cannot wait to show you how I transformed these empty boxes and created treasures from this trash. Let me show you what I've done before. Those of you who's new, maybe you haven't watched that video that I uploaded last January, and I created a beautiful jewelry box for my dresser. And my very first trash treasure using these boxes was this beautiful vanity tray that I created for my bathroom, and to this date still I'm using it and really enjoying the colors and the glam touches.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times my feet.
For my first DIY, I decided to use the bottom with this mirror effect spray paint, but unfortunately it didn't work. But at this stage I didn't know that it was not going to work. I used this spray in the past with glass and it really looked like mirror, but with the plastic, unfortunately it didn't work. This video is part of a collaboration with my friend Dedeen from Designed by D9. She has a beautiful channel, really talented, full of DIYs. Love her nails always. Sometimes she's matching it to her DIYs as well. So if you're not familiar with her channel, please go and check her out. Show her some love. Tell her that you are coming from my channel, and her link is going to be in my description box below. And Janine, thank you so much for inviting me to do this collab with you. After applying generous amount of Mod Podge, I'm now sprinkling some glitter, starting with the largest, and I will go all the way to the smallest, finest glitter. This glitter that I'm using is mix of turquoise and purple colors, all the colors that I love, and I bought it from AliExpress. And you have to make sure you cover the sides of the lid as well if you are going to try it out. And now I'm adding the finest glitter that I bought from Poundland, I believe. And lastly, I'm adding this beautiful iridescent color just to cover all the areas that's still exposed. While that's drying, let's tackle with the other one, covering the lid again, and I'm going to be using the same method and matching the sequins colors to the bottom, so it's gonna be all silver. And don't forget, you start from the back to front, so chunkiest ones first, and then towards the end you will add the finest ones. Both finished. Now I'm going to leave them dry overnight. For the turquoise one, I will be using this beautiful ring that I bought from AliExpress, and I will be using this gem on top, and I will be color matching the glass gem to the bottom. First thing I will be doing, using this glittery nail varnish that is perfectly matching, coordinating with this ring. After applying a generous amount of nail varnish, I will also use the same a glitter that I bought from AliExpress so I can match it to the lid. And lastly, I'm adding this iridescent fine glitter at the bottom, and I will shake it off to reveal what it looks like, and I'm going to wait until it dries before finishing it off. Off camera, I'm going to be applying Mod Podge as well as these glitters. This is next day, all dry, and now let's put these ones on to make it super glam. These rhinestone rings are from AliExpress as well, and the top knob is from Amazon. Let's finish off the gem, and then I'm going to line the bottom part with tissue paper. I'm applying turquoise color matching nail varnish for the back to pop the colors, and it looks so beautiful, so 3D, and it has a lot of depth to it as well. You can use this method to create a lot of DIYs. I really love this method. And now let's line inside of this container, and I'm going to use the bottom paper as a template to create a sides as well as the bottom. I will use generous amount of Mod Podge and treat it as if it's decoupage, and I will use several layers and then use Mod Podge on top as well as a top layer, and then I will let it dry. Sides are done. Now let's add the final coat of Mod Podge to seal it off. This looks so beautiful, coordinates perfectly with this lid. The only thing is I wish this ring was a bit shorter. And here they are, finished, fully dried. I absolutely love them. If you are coming from Dedeen's channel, hello, my name is Shule, and I really love decorating my home, creating DIY items to go with my decor and my unique color scheme. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I hope you can join to my YouTube family. Well, you know me, you know what questions come in. Is it number 1 or 2? Is it turquoise one or the silver? Stole your heart. Don't forget to leave me a comment, please. I'm done, but you're not done yet. Please go to my description box and visit Dedeen's channel and show her some love and tell her that you are coming from My Style, My Colors. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.